Physics is the one branch of science which deals with the study of nature, matter, energy and its interactions. The study of the planets and all is known as cosmology, that is astrophysics. You study in physics, there is a branch called as astrophysics where you study regarding the planets. Hello everyone, I'm Brinda, Faculty of Physics from Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, Mysuru, the Temple of Excellence. Today, here, I'm bringing up the bridge course which connects between the 10th as well as your first PU classes. I'm just getting the connection from your 10th to your first PUC classes. So here that is you have opted for this foundation for your improvement. So this foundation will help you to uplift your goals through We the Linkers towards your profession. Okay, so here we will help you out regarding your subject courses. So here I'm dealing with the topic that is physics. Physics is my subject. So here the physics is the one which comes under science. So what is that science? What do you know by science? You have learnt your science from your lower classes. So what is that science exactly contains? So science, it means to know. Science means to know. Okay? The general meaning of science is that it is to know. This is obtained from a Latin word called as scientia. So, science is obtained from a Latin word called as scientia. So, that means it is to know. Okay? So, science, what is science? It is to know. You have to understand the concept. By using that to know concept, many people have developed modern technologies. As you all know, you have seen all those things, right? So here, science means it is to know. Okay, what to know? You will go in detail further in your further classes. So here, you have opted for science and under which there are too many courses wherein your PCM, it is the constant one, and this B in place of B, that the fourth place is occupied by any of your optional subjects. So it is physics, chemistry, mathematics. It is a fixed subject for you, out of which the fourth is the optional one. It can be biology, computer science, electronics, etc. So here, my topic which I am dealing with is physics. It is physics. So what is that physics? So you all know physics, it is that it deals with the physical objects, right? So objects, when it comes to object, where exactly the object lies? Surroundings, in nature, right? So physics is nothing but it is derived from a word, Greek word, that is physis. Okay? Physis is the Greek word from which this physics was derived. What exactly physis means? Physis means it is nature. What is that physis? Physis is a Greek word which means to say it is nature, and from that word physis, what does that physis mean? It is nature. So that sound literally means that it is physics. The sound physis, physics. Okay. So from this physis, the word, Greek word physis, we have got this physics. Okay. So physics, it is derived from a Greek word called as physis, which means nature. Okay. So what is that physics exactly is? Physics is the one branch of science which deals with the study of nature, matter, energy and its interactions. Okay. So physics is nothing but the study of the objects, matter and its interaction. Okay. So you got to know now what is science, and in science what you have opted for, that is PCM and any optional subject, out of which I am dealing with physics, and what is meant by physics, the general aspect you got to know. So what is this physics contains? The fundamental usually what all the things of physics contains? So it is the fundamental concepts of physics, that is here we study regarding motion, regarding heat and energy. So it comes like thermodynamics and we study regarding the gravitational force, how well the gravity acts in the surroundings, how well the gravity acts in planet and outside the planet. So the momentum, we study regarding the momentum, change in velocity and velocities, speed, distance, time, everything we study under this physics. So it is a fundamentals of physics. So we study regarding the waves. What waves? Water waves? No, it's not water wave. We study regarding the sound waves, that is mechanical waves, light waves. Okay, and we study regarding fields. What fields? Is it a paddy fields? No, it is not that. It is electric field, magnetic field. It is all about the physical things, and few are like imaginary things, whatever we study. We study the nature or behavior of the small sized particle as well as large sized particles, and we study regarding the atomic structure. I told it is a small sized particle. We go depth into the atomic structure and as well as the nucleus. How does the nucleus react? All those things we study under this physics. So you all got to know what exactly the physics consists of, what are the branches of the physics. Later I'll get into it. So these are the fundamental concepts, that is motion, heat and energy. We study about gravitational force, momentum, waves, fields, electric fields as well as magnetic fields, atomic structure as well as the nucleus. So these are the fundamental concepts. So next is physics around us. What do we actually see like around us? You know, there is a science around us. So we don't even understand what exactly it is. We don't even concentrate on the things what is going on around us. We just move as it is. But if you actually concentrate and look into it, whether the physics is around you, yes, it is there. That is, you can see rainbow. You have seen such sceneries. So there is a physics behind this rainbow, occurrence of rainbow, as well as there is physics behind this car moving upon the road. So that is a friction. It is because of friction. This is because of the refraction which is taking place because of the water droplets, and this is because of the friction. This also is because of the friction. You write on the paper, right? How you're able to write, that is also because of friction. And you walk on the road, that is because of friction. Okay, and even the planets revolving around the sun, it is the gravitational force where the physics is included in that. In this, the study of the planets and all is known as cosmology, that is astrophysics. You study in physics, there is a branch called as astrophysics where you study regarding the planets. And as well as again I have come up with the rainbow, that is again the refraction which is taking place due to the water droplets, as well as the waterfalls which shows you the potential energy and kinetic energy. See how well you can look into the physics around you. There is physics around you in each and every step of yours. That is, here it's a rainbow, here it's a friction, again it's a friction, here you can even term speed, velocity, even term the gravitational force. Okay, and here you have got the potential energy, kinetic energy as well as the refraction. Okay, so this all you can study under physics. So the physics is very interesting topic for you to study, and each and everywhere you can find it. And the one thing you have to remember the most is subject is very easy for you to go in a flow. So it is nothing that it is away from the things whatever you do. It is included in your surrounding. Visualize, that is analyze, and then you can go with it. Okay, so today, now advanced fuses. So what is this advanced fuses? It is advanced physics. So physics is derived from a Latin word called as fuses. So what does this fuses mean? It means it is nature. So can I tell this is advanced in nature? Yes, it is advanced physics. So here advanced, it is the physics is often led to advances in modern technologies. So there is modern technologies now which you can see. It can be nanotechnologies in case of astrophysics, in case of robotics, anything. So here the physics is advanced now. In this generation, it is very much advanced, and when you go to your profession course, even you can find out even more advanced technologies. Okay, so in today's class of ours, we have just gone through the bridge course that which connects from your 10th to your first PUC, that is regarding what is science, what is the subject what you have taken, out of which physics, what is meant by physics, and introductory part of physics, what all this physics contain and what is the uses in our daily life, as well as how it is introduced in technological way, that is modern technologies. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you one and all.